boys and girls, we're doing more counting. So we're going to count how many apples and count the tens and the ones. So on the first one, how many groups of apples are there? Yeah, there's 3 groups of apples. And how many are left over? 3. Very good. Okay. On the next one, there's 1 group of apples and there's 4 left over. So there's just 14. And on the next set, how many 10 frames are full? 2. Are there any extras? Nope. So we put a 0. Okay. Let's look here. There's 1 full 10 frame and there's 5 extra, so we have 15. How many 10 frames are full here? 3 and 7. So we have what? 37. And on the last one, we have 1 full 10 frame and 9 left over. So we have 19. Great work, boys and girls. Excellent with your counting. Okay. On the back, you have more rocket math. Use whichever strategies work best for you to be able to do these math facts. And then do what your teacher wants you to do next.